Kulang pa isa? Si Javier. Ha? Javier. Darang nga pare.
Hello?
Ba't
Kulang pa rin. Teka. Pastoral, number 10. Number 9, Loros Cain. Belliones, number 8. Number 7, Marcaita. Number 6, Patulot. Ready si Javier. Ayan, okay. Thank you.
Mamaya promise.
Ang game ball.
Game, let's start the game 3. Game 3 na po, guys. Hello? Mic check.
Pare, paano mo na? Ito yung malam.
Play.
Again na.
Naagaw agad. Ay, sorry din. Dalawang silot kami dyan.
Ako timer pre.
2 points left.
8 minutes and 57 seconds.
Number 7, sa dress. Oy! Big man. Bring down the ball. Takes the 3 points. Good ba? Number 18, 2. Gray shirt to number 25. Ay, sila pala ulit yung kanina. Number 18. Sino ba? Black shirt to black jersey. Passes to number 8. Kobe. Gray shirt, ang matale. Tulela para wala nakuha ni Kobe. Red Bull. Passes to number 2. Number 2 takes. Wala, nakuha ni number 7. Number 7. Pinasa kay number 18. Nakuha ni gray shirt. Fake bump. Dinalek. Ikot. Kobe. Wala. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2. Nakuha ni gray shirt. Ang laki yan. Bringing down the ball. To number 7. To number 18. To 25. 2 points. Kobe takes a 3. Wala. Nakuha ni black t-shirt. Number 18 bringing down the ball. Drop pass to number 15, to number 25, to number 18, to number 7. Number 7, Hezzy. Floater. 2 points. Kobe bringing down the ball. Passes to White Sando. Bounce passes to number 8. Number 8 to black t-shirt to Kobe. Kobe, 2 points. 15 to number 7, bringing down the ball. Number 7 passes to number 18 to number 15. Attacks. Wala. Nakuha niya pa rin number 15 to number 18. 18 to number 7. Number 7. Inangat to number 18 to number 25. Number 25 takes. All guard. Nakuha ni number 7. Footbacks. Wala pa rin.
5 minutes and 47 seconds.
Wise Ando. Wala. Oh, spin move. Wala. Para nakuha ni gray shirt. Number 25. Passes to number 7. Sa kalaban. Tapos, ni Yoyo. Tapos nakuha niya pa rin. 2. Number 2 to White Sando. Back passes to Kobe. Fakes. Kobe. Niyoyo. 2 points. Number 7. Passes to number 15. Short. To number 18. To side. Takes the 3. Wala pa rin ako. Number 7. Foot back. 2 points. Number 8, to Sando. Oh, pinasa kay Kobe. Kobe, umatake ulit. Wala pa rin ako. Number 25. Number 25, to gray shirt. To number 25 ulit. Nakuha niya pa rin number 25. Ni-reset. Pinasa kay number 18. To number 7, nice assist by number 18. 2 points para kay number 7. White Sando.
Score 7-8. Last 4 minutes.
Sa gitna.
11-8 pala. Sorry.
Ay! Nakuha niya. Nakuha niya pa rin. Tingin. Sabi ko lang naman ba? Kobe grabs the ball, nabitawan, number 7 to Gray Shirt, Gray Sando kaya. Gray Sando passes to number 25. Service na. Tatlo ang lumabay. Nakakuha ng foul. Technical. Gray Sando sa tres. Wala. Number 7. Number 25 to number 18. Nakuha niya. Binigay kay White Sando. White Sando laid it up. 2 points.
13-8.
Number 25 takes the 3.
Last
Nakuha ni Kobe.
3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes. At na-penetrate. Naka-layup. Wala. White Sando to number 18. Number 18 takes a 3. 3 points. White Sando. Setting a play. Passes to Kobe. Kobe. Tumira. Wala pa rin nakuha yung number 18. Bilyones. Bilyones pinasa ay number. Wala. Wala. Kevin. Ilang minutes na lang?
Last 1 minute and 57 seconds.
Ay. Ay. Number 18 to number 7. 1 minute time remaining. 2 points. Wala. Wala.
All 30.
Number 2. Goza ay. Binasa kay Kobe. Kobe, tumira. Wala. Nakuha naka-block. Nakuha pa rin ni Kyrie. Wala, nakuha number 7. Number 7, napakabilis. Bringing down the ball, number 7. Fake. Passes to number 18 to number 7 ulit. Tumira. Wala.
45 seconds.
Number 25. Passes to number 7. What a pass. Passes to the gray t-shirt. Ay, Sando. To number 18. Passes to Kyrie. To White Tank. Oh, ni Yoyo. Sumabay pa. Half-court pass to number 25, 25.
20 seconds.
To 18, wala.
15, 13, score.
Ilan seconds?
10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,